Hello, creative friends. I'm wishing you a Merry Christmas from Texas. It's a nice, cool day here, which doesn't happen very often. But I'm going to show you today how to put together this cute little Christmas card. Obviously, you need to cut out your pieces before you get started. But this is a 4x6 card, and it's got a nice little scalloped edge on it. I like to lay it all out, make sure that I have everything that I need. Got all my pieces here. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and glue down the background. Just make sure that you have this little star piece on the back and the Christmas tree on the front. And I have it kind of silhouetted so that you can see where the placement of the items goes. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm using a different glue today than I normally do, but I kind of like this one all right. It's that Aleene's tacky glue that has like the little stand on it where it's always upside down and the glue's always there. I usually have my Barely glue, but my daughter has absconded with it for some Christmas ornaments that she's making. So I'm having to make do with this. Okay, just again, just double check that this is where you want it, and you just line it up. So let's glue that up. We have just finished up Thanksgiving at my house this week, 2024, and I have been busy. I did a little bit of shopping, not a lot, online, but also busy trying to get some designs out for the Silhouette store and my other shops online. So I'm still working on getting my Christmas out, which I'm kind of late this year, but that's okay. All right, so now that we have that done, just keep that aside for a second. We're going to put the tree together, and I actually used some glitter cardstock this time. I just wanted to see how it would look, and I think it turned out really cute. So this is the base of your tree, and take the biggest piece, and we're going to go ahead and glue that one on, because we're going to start from the bottom and go up, and that will help you get it, or I'm sorry, from the top and go down. My mistake. Because we're just going to layer it up. And you can use pop dots if you want to. I'm just going to do glue on this one. Just because I kind of like it a little flatter for an envelope. But if you want to use it, you know, as a display or something, I would do it a little bit, or I would use the pop dots. So again, just I like to try to place my pieces just to make sure that I've got, you know, the right side on where it needs to go, because like that's not going to line up good. So just make sure you have it placed correctly. And let's get that last one on there. Okay, and just put that on top. I'll line it up at the top there. And then I got the next glitter piece. Put a little extra glue on that one. This is thicker. The glitter cardstock is a little thicker, so there's that. Oh, it's so cute. And of course you can change, you know, the colors. You don't have to use the exact colors I use, but I try to give you ideas when I design my cards and things. But you can get crazy with it if you want. Do some wild Christmas colors. Okay, so there's that. This glue does not dry as quickly as the barely glue, but that's okay. Okay, so there's that. And then you have this little tree trunk piece that goes on the bottom there, and it really can go either way, but I designed it to go with that little peak coming up so that you still get the curve on the trunk there. And these little bitty pieces, I have fat fingers and so I like to use my little tweezers that help me a whole lot to get the little tiny pieces where I want them to go. Actually quite handy. Okay, so that's my tree, and I haven't used this glue in a while, so this brand of glue, I'm used to my other glue sticking a lot quicker. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so now that we have the tree put together, we're going to do our last little bit of detail work. So I'm going to go ahead and glue down these stars. I have 3 sizes. There's the big one that goes on the left-hand side. Oh, a little bit more glue. Again, using my tweezers because they are very handy when you're trying to do these little pieces. I just got these on Amazon. There was multiple, just like everything else on there, there's 100 different versions of the same thing. But I like these. I have to be really careful though because they're very, very sharp on the end. And I have poked my finger a few times and I do not want to do it again. It hurts. It's pretty sharp. Okay, and then I put the medium star here. It's just slightly larger than the smallest one. So, I mean, either one will work, but you can tell the difference if you look closely. All right, and this, where you get to make a decision here for the rest of it. You can take your bow and put it on the back, like that, with the tree on the top, or you can put the tree down and put the bow on the top, which is my preference, just because it, especially if you're going to do the pop dots, it's going to, pop it up even more, but I just think it looks cuter on the top. So I'm going to go ahead and glue down my tree, and you can see I realized after the fact that I had not flipped this the right way, so I peeled it off and started over. It's okay. Sometimes that works and sometimes that, and that's the one good thing about this glue, that it does not dry quite as fast as my other one, so I was able to do that. Otherwise I would have had to start over, and that would have made me kind of unhappy. I don't really like to do things over if I don't have to. That's some weird character thing I have. Okay, so there's that. And then we're going to take the teeny tiny one. Now, this one you can put either up here, which I like okay, but I thought it looked kind of cute just down here. So I'm gonna do that. You can, those are creative choices that you get to make. This glue is just so different than my other one. So it's a little runnier, so it oozes out some, but I've just got to get used to using it again. Still, both of these are good. It's just that they're different, and you have to, like anything else you do. Okay, glue. You have to know your materials. All right, there's my bow. And hopefully I can get it to stick. It doesn't want to go up there. There we go. All right. So there you have it, your little cute, whimsical Christmas tree card. Thank you guys for being here, and I hope you enjoy making this little card. It's a lot of fun and really quite easy. All right, y'all have a Merry Christmas.